Yung family ko, guys, my parents and my brother, they've been there for me since day one, literal. Except sa family ko, sunod-sunod na ang family na sagutan.
Hindi, dapat may iba ka.
May iba, oh, wala na family ha. Sa kanya yan.
Okay, tapos na yung family ha.
Go!
Ayan, sino
Yung kapag si Stacey, siya yung dulo, siya yung last, bawal ulitan.
Sana hindi masagot yung sagot.
Sige, Master Joe.
Ako, ano po, acting. My first
Acting. Adenang ginto.
Napanood niyo ba yun?
Adenang ginto.
Adenang ginto and MMK. No! Again na, what's your first love?
Speaking of MMK.
Mine is dancing.
Ay, wala na talent na rin yun eh.
Ha?
Si Wonnie daw.
It's dancing. Oh, acting, dancing. Sila nagsagot for you. Singing daw. Ano? Ako, sige ano lang, si Ju yun. Yung pusa ko. My first baby. Hindi ko aso yun. Aso yun ang ate ko.
Kawawa naman.
Eh, hindi ko aso si Cholo, aso siya na ate ko. Okay. Showbiz na lang sagot ko, singing. Kala mo. Singing.
Non-showbiz daw. Pag hindi showbiz.
Bubulong ko na lang sa'yo.
Grabe naman yan! Okay, we will accept that answer. Ikaw naman, Mika.
Kayo umasa. First love ko is volleyball. Yeah. Volleyball.
Volleyball.
Sample.
Okay, and Gwen?
Sa akin. Makeup.
Make-up. And Stacey, kaya ka, meron pa ba?